Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Jessica Agnew and I help people build an awesome business using social media and attraction marketing. And today we are talking about how you can make 125 to 250 and beyond on a daily or weekly basis using a simple system called $25 one up. So I've been inside this system for about 30 days and I made $150 so far. How was that possible? It's really by me doing three simple things. So the first thing that I did is I came into the back office and I chose let me show you. I went to the funnel page and how many landing pages that you have in your back office depends on the level that you join up on under. But these are your base. Okay, so I chose the capture page. Sorry, these are capture pages. Um, and what is a capture page? Capture page is, it pretty much does what it says. It's there to get the people's interest and to get them to put in their name and their contact information. And then that will take them to a landing page. Um, so you can choose your landing page here. We're going to talk about how to set this one up in another video. So you're going to choose your landing page, the one that suits your fancy. Now for those of you who are on the gold level, I highly recommend choosing this one here. This one here is my $35 business. Um, it's really great. It's really self-explanatory. It really does all the work for you. And that's what these do. They do the work for you. That's their job. Okay? So the next thing I do is I actually do YouTube. So what I teach on my team is how to create passive and direct income. So YouTube is all about passive income. So you make YouTube videos such as the ones that you see here. And then over time, your channel will grow, your audience will grow. So how you must understand is that YouTube's algorithm loves consistency. They reward consistency. So for the first 2 months, you're gonna have to make a video every day. This video could be a minute, this video could be 2 minutes, it could be 3 minutes, it could be 8 minutes, it could be 30 minutes, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is you have to put a video up every single day and try to stay on point. So my channel is all about helping people build awesome business using social media and attraction marketing. So, and my flagship business is $25 one. So, all of my videos are about that. My latest one, which I did yesterday, is I was talking about the team bonuses, the bonuses that you get when you join $25 one up and and my team. Um, so that's what that video was all about. And then every week, my team has a work at home Wednesday hangout where we pretty much explain the business. It's a great tool to use for your prospects. So all these videos I'm just doing one every single day. Okay. And so right now you see my videos are growing. So the one I got the most views on was the one that happened maybe a week ago. And it's growing. It's growing, y'all. People really, really are digging it. So when I started, I had one subscriber and now I have 7. you know. So that's cool. So that is the second thing that I am doing. It's very easy to make these videos. They're simple. I use Screencast-O-Matic. You can use whatever you want. Oh, shh, quiet boy. I have my dog here. He's a bit noisy. All right, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to come over to Facebook, and you are going to make a ad using Pick Collage. Now I use Pick Collage. You can use Pick Collage. You can use Kavanaugh. There are a lot of ways to make these ads. So it's a very simple ad. You see, I just have a bright background. I have a picture of me at the beach, and then I have some of my proof. And my proof, I just have a line around the payment because that's where I want people to look. And then up here I have, oops, it went away. There a second. There we go. And then up here I have just 100% commissions. Let that go away. There it goes. I have 100% commissions. And then I say right into your account. This is a simple freaking ad. It took me like 5 minutes to make. It's so simple. It's so simple. It's so easy. You literally can do this like in 5 minutes. And then over here, I just give you the ABCs that if you can copy and paste, and you can do this. It's a very simple ad, okay? And then this simple ad got me 23 comments and led to my very first $24 sale. Okay, 23 comments. That is what this simple tell ad gave me. So you should be posting in the morning, the afternoon, and the evening. And when you decide to join me and my team, I will be giving you the times to post as well. So that's huge. So where do you get these ads? Okay, let's talk about that. So you come back to your office, and they are under the gold level package. Okay, it's really simple. And then all these are your ads. And more ads are being uploaded all the time. Okay, these ads are constantly growing. Okay, and you just pick the category that you want. Like, let's see what pre-read has to do. And boom, here they are, tons of them. And these are really good headline ads. These are really good headline ads, making an extra $120 per day. Or you could say how my team is making a extra $125 per day. Okay, it's really simple, guys. It's not hard. We got the secrets finally unlocked for every people looking to make some extra income. I'll probably say everyday people looking to make some extra income, but yeah, this is where you get your ads. Okay, very simple. Everything is in the back office. Everything that you will need to run your business is in the back office. So it's really that simple. So all you're doing is you're setting up your capture page, your landing page, and you are making YouTube videos every day, and you are posting in Facebook groups every day, 3 times a day. Okay, this is what you are doing, and this is how you are going to be making 25, 100, 25, 100, and 25, 250-dollar days, and beyond. It really is that simple, guys. It's a no-brainer. Okay, so so now now if now if you like everything that you have heard and you are ready to get started, okay, you are ready to get going. Okay, so on the next step is to um, click the link in the description so we can get you plugged in. Um, I highly recommend that you join on the platinum level so you can get my team's business training. But if the platinum or the diamond level is just out of your reach right now, we can talk about that. So hit me up in the comments. And with that, guys, I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to be awesome.